Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Amanullah. I'm doing automobile business in Umm Al Quwain, UAE. Today we are here in Ajman city center, which is very beautiful city center and located in Ajman. Today the topic which I want to elaborate is questions before starting your business. What type of questions you should ask yourself before starting a business? The first question is, what are your objectives? Why are you doing this business? This is very important question you should ask yourself. And the second question is, what type of products or services would you provide? So which products you are focused on? And the third question is your customers. What about your customers? Which area of customers you are pointing out? This is also a very important question. And next question is about the capital investment. The products or services which you have selected for your business, you have enough money for them? So this feasible investment is there? So this is also very important question. And the next question is, have you selected the correct employees for your business? Your strength, because initially you have control your expenses. So the strength of your employees is very important. So you should ask yourself about the strength of your employee. And the next very important question is about the laws of your business. In which country you are doing business? What are the laws of those countries regarding your business? Sometimes if you fail to follow the laws, you have to close your businesses because you don't know the depth of those laws. So you should know very clearly about your business laws. So these type of questions are very important. You should ask yourself. So we have also created one business group on Facebook. The name of group is Gulf Business Forum, where we will discuss and we will take review of the different business people. We will give the ideas and we will also share the ideas of the different people. We have created one channel on YouTube, I Am Irfan. So you please subscribe that channel. And also we have blog www.imirfan.com, where you can visit and get the answers of many questions. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.